Hey coders, this is Akash Kumar Bhagat from Netaji Subhash Engineering College, second year CSC department. We are here to discuss the fourth problem for the Codevar contest. Let's get straight into the problem. Here's the question. Its name is Perfecto, and the question says Shefu is studying in English language and is obsessed with palindrome strings. Shefu, also a good student, want to earn the Perfecto badge of honor given to the most brilliant mind of the class. Since everyone in the class wants to earn the badge, teacher devised a task so she could give a number of strings, may or may not be palindrome, and ask student to find the longest palindrome string from the beginning. From the beginning, help Shefu to earn the Perfecto badge. So the question clearly mentions that we will be given a string and we have to find the longest palindrome from the beginning, that is the prefix, longest palindrome prefix. So what will be the basic approach towards the problem? Let's consider the first test case. It is a b b a x t y. Yes. Here we could extract a total of n substring or prefix from a given string. Here n will be the length of the string. So what would be the total, what would be the substrings? They will be ABBXT, ABBAX, ABBA, ABB, AB and A. These are the 7 substrings from the beginning. And now the only task we have is to find whether any of this string is a palindrome or not. There are many ways to check whether a string is palindrome or not. I'll choose one of the most easy way, which is we could just reverse a string and check both the strings are equal or not. If it is palindrome, they must be equal. So for the first substring, it will be YXTABBA. Similarly, to the next, it will be TXABBA. Here will be XABBA, and there's ABBA. So we could start from the higher or the larger substring and we'll go to the smaller substring and we'll find whether that substring is a palindrome or not. If we encounter any palindrome string, that particular palindrome string will be the largest among all, as we are descending from the higher number. So we would just terminate our program and display the length of that particular string. So this would be the final approach for the problem. So now let's write some code for this. Here I'll use for loop. We'll take string and we'll check from the last, right? So we'll take for I in range n -1 to -1 till, and we'll descend it by 1, means -1 will decrease it, and we will pass the substring and we'll check whether it is a palindrome or not. So we will check if s I is equal to s I, and in there are various functions to reverse a string. In Python particularly, it's very easy. We will just write this the substring and colon -1. It will reverse a string. Since I is in the back, it will always take from 0 to I -1. So we would write here not n, length of s, And if this equals means if we find particular string is palindrome, that means it is the largest palindrome from the beginning. So we will just print the length, and length will be what? I minus 0, that is I. So I, and will break. That's all we have to do. Let's check whether it works or not. It works perfectly fine over here. Now let's try to submit the code. As you can see, I've already made a submission, but that submission was using a function to check whether it is palindrome or not. Let's check this one. This is much shorter approach. And yes, it will take time. The Codechef server is very much outdated. Let's wait. And you can use any sort of algorithm to check whether two strings are palindrome or not. And moreover, there are more than one approach towards this problem, so you can choose any of the solution as you like. I think this is the most easy approach towards solving it, and here we are discussing this and see it's the correct answer. Hope you liked the explanation. Thank you, and may this channel help you in further queries. For any other queries related to CP or related to this question, you can contact me in any social media platform. The handles will be listed in the description below. Thank you, and have a nice day.